Food greatness, a wide array of culture delights that evoke joy, satisfaction, and a sense of culture riches. From comforting classics to innovative creations, food greatness celebrates the diversity of flavors, texture, and aromas that utilize the taste and the soul. Whether it is a hearty bowl of lot of ingredients, where the pasta, example, egg, pizza, biryani, chicken, vegetables, every taste make good. Everybody will enjoy the homemade cheese, a vibrant food greatness, homemade. Now, no bounds. It is about this simple pleasure of perfectly tasty food, freshly baked bread, or coffee, or good taste. Food greatness is not just about the dish itself, but also the experience it creates, the lot of share around the table, the memories made, dish in the kitchen, and connection ever a shared love of food. It is a celebration of tradition and the universal world of food. The people together enjoying food, everyone remembering the past and future day, shared humanity, food greatness about embarrassing the flavor tradition that our lives bring to your meal. The food, the great food, the wow, like a wow, tasty, most tasty food in the world. We enjoying everyone. One of the most enjoyable aspects of food is exploring new and flavors from around the world, whether it including in the spicy flavors of Thai curry, Indian curry, other countries, richest of example Japanese, sampling the aromatic spices of Indian. There always something new and exciting to discover. Homemade comfort. There is a special joy in preparing and enjoying homemade meals with loved ones. From the aroma freshly baked cookies through the kitchen to the satisfaction of smearing of pot of homemade soup and chilly day. Homemade comfort food, the both the body and the soul. Food has heart. Food can be from of expression with chefs and home cooks alike, transforming simple ingredients into works of art on the plate. From plate dishes at a fine dining restaurant to beautifully crafted and desserts, food can delight the good taste over the world. The community and connection food has unique ability to bring people together, fostering community and connection, whether gathering around the dinner table with the family and friends, sharing a meal at a neighborhood, joining a cooking class to learn new skills. Food creates opportunity for shared experience and meaningful connection. The enjoying experience connections. Food is just about taste. It also about being present and mindful of the experience, taking the time to savor each bite, the flavor of texture and culture, gratitude from the nourishment food provides can en- enjoying every meal. The sensational ingredients allow us to experience the freshness, flavors, support local farms and producer produce from the every special winter special, summer special, the tasty food everybody enjoy. Each season brings to own unique tasty create make a food enjoying and celebrated. Food festival and events, food festival, farmers markets and culture events offer opportunity to include in delicious treats, discover new foods, and celebrate the vibrant food culture of different regions and communities. It is seafood festival on the coast or a chill cook off in the heartland. These events are feast for the sense. Global food trends. Keeping up the latest food trends allow the stay connected to innovations, culture influence from